Hello lockpickers, long time no see. Must apologise, not been on here in a very long time. Been super busy, had some issues at home I needed to kind of get sorted, and they're getting there. But just to let you know I'm still about. I thought I'd have a quick video. I don't know why this isn't focusing. Let's have a look at the bitting on this. Come on, there we go. Look. And it's kind of like a triangular shaped key, and you just see the little locking bar there. So let's see if we can't get her open. Now, tensioning's not too bad because I can literally just get that wrench in the bottom there. I'm going to use this beautiful Das Evers pick. I don't know why it's not focusing. Come on, baby. No, trust me, it is absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's see what it takes to get in here. We haven't got a lot of room to get the pick in without oversetting everything else. Just wondering if I can go for the left and come around a bit, or maybe just dive in at the back and see what we can do. I've got a little bit of there we go. So yeah, that was a cool, quick little pick. But while I've got you guys and girls here, I will show you another little lock. Pretty sure I've seen this on here before. Little stablet, little shutter lock. So got a nice little hefty click on there. So if I put a tension wrench in, there you go. With the pins dropping downwards, all locked up, nice and sturdy. Yeah, your property, your premises is fine. Turn it upside down. Literally all the key pins. I say that. Where we got to turn it this way? All the key pins fall into the Bible. Literally no key required. How shoddy is that? That's the bitting. Come on. So yeah, so it's not even flat. But to literally be able to just open it with anything, as long as it's upside down. So another little key, that blank fits in there. Pathetic. Anyway, short little video just to say thanks for sticking with me, and hopefully see you very, very soon. Cheers.